In the messy middle of transition, most people reach out for a life raft, a contingency, a way back to safety. But safety is an illusion. I've learned that in the pro peloton, in career freefalls, and 54 days alone on the Atlantic Ocean. I'm Annesley Park. I don't build contingencies, I build capacity. It's a formula I've proved in the dark. Solitude to anchor you, magnitude to outscale the fear, and attitude to drive the oars. I'm the 9th solo, unsupported and independent female to cross the Atlantic Ocean. Not because I have a better plan, but because I have fortitude at my core. Being in the messy middle or the gap isn't about having a map. Maps change. Build the capacity to be your own compass. I'm Annesley Park. Let's own the middle.